So I got the bumper out and everything. I'm gonna be replacing the turn signals with the sequential lights, which is right here, and I'll keep you updated once I put them on the car. So yeah, let's keep going. So this is the finished product, 2/8 mils, and placed it over here. It's got a 3M tape in it. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing the other side, and she's ready to be back in the car. I got both of the sequential fog lights installed. They look super mint. I like how they are smoke blacked. Gonna be putting it in the car, and here are the stock lights, signal lights for the car. So yeah, let's continue on. Alright guys, so after 20 minutes or so, I finally got the sequential signal lights on the car, the bumper back in the vehicle. So here it is. Looks super sweet. I like how the black smoke color is. Here's that as well. So yeah, it's still shiny outside, and once it gets dark out, I'm gonna be showing them in the nighttime. So yeah, looks super good. I really like him. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again in the next vlog.